Hi you guys, welcome to week 2 of math. I hope last week went okay. If you have suggestions, please let me know. Today we're going to be working with addition with 2-digit numbers and no regrouping. You'll see that up top for our Tuesday. I hope you don't mind. I'm doing a lesson outside. It's amazing today. It's really hot, but I'll take it. So you're gonna see in your packet I have a printed number line for you guys. You can stick that in that sleeve if you want, and they can use a marker with it, or just use your fingers and help them follow that jump that I was talking about. I also have the a picture that shows the touch points of each number. We've practiced those before, but that can help them kind of see those points. Again, that just helps you kind of count on the points. So there's, for 2, there's 2 points. At 3, there's 3 points on there that you would touch on a number. And then I also have this little slip that says a deck of cards game. I know we might not all have a deck of cards, but if you guys do, you can play this game. It's kind of like War, or they can play it by themselves even. They would pick a card and you pick a card, and add them together, or they can pick 2 cards on their own and then they would just add or subtract those 2 numbers together. So just something quick that's that's kind of like a game to them, but yet they're still practicing their addition and subtraction facts and their fluency. All right, so we're gonna turn to our Tuesday page first. So for our Tuesday, we are starting 2-digit numbers without regrouping. So this is should be pretty easy for them. What I want you to focus on with them is that they put the line down the middle on their own. So they're not seeing 2 large numbers added together. They can break it up into 2 single-digit problems added together. So our first problem was 52 plus 20. I'm going to go ahead and put my line down the middle with a different color. And then we're doing 2 plus 0 and 5 plus 2. All right, 2 plus 0 is 2. And 5 plus 2 more, 5, 6, 7. Our answer should be 72. All right, so again, you can have them use whatever strategy they like. Usually I have them all out in front of them and I kind of say, okay, pick whatever strategy you want, and they can choose which way they like best. And I don't need them to do it every single way, just to show me whatever way is their favorite. That's fine. All right, our next problem. We have 36 plus 22. Bear with me, I'm trying not to get my head in the video every time, like I did last time. Put our line down the middle. Remember, you might have to guide them the first couple times to do that. But if not, make sure they're doing that on their own. Try to get that repetition down. Oops. 6 plus 2, so I'm going to use my touch points again. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we have an 8. Now we're going on to the next side. 3 plus 2 makes 5. All right, and again, they can use the number line, counters, hundreds chart, whatever. The next one I'm gonna write it on the board, and I want you to pause the video and try to have them do it on their own or guide them through it, and then we'll double check together. This one is 30, plus 32, not 22. Line down the middle. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 3 plus 3 is 3, 4, 5, and 6. 62. All right. So for today, for our Tuesday, that is all I'm going to, as far as give instruction on. But I gave a lot more problems on this page, so I don't have an extra practice page. What I had done before, which seemed to be really helpful, was I highlighted a couple that were that I wanted to do for each day. So maybe you could do like until this line and finish that today with them, and then maybe this half for extra practice. That's kind of what I had done, just because that's a lot of problems and they're gonna get overwhelmed and frustrated, and they don't need to do all of this today and in one sitting either. So you could, you know, I just did this first row, maybe they could do this row, and then maybe later on or tomorrow they can work on another row, and each day kind of work through it that way, just doing a couple, continuing that practice. You will see I also have the answer key on the back that is for you, just so you don't have to solve every problem, just to make it easier on you. And then Thursday we will be working on adding 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. Again, remind them to use all of their resources, the tools that I supplied you guys with. If you need anything else, please let me know. Please let me know how these are going, if it's too hard, if it's not enough work, if it's too much work. Please let me know. Again, just a reminder, I would like that they get 30 minutes a week on iReady. So again, that could be 15 minutes right after this lesson, kind of how we do in class. We keep that routine. You could do that. I find they know their routine once they've got it down. So if you just want to do 15 minutes on Tuesdays and Thursdays just to get it done, they have that routine, that would be great. Or you know, however else time you want them to get that time for their reward. Let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. Bye.